viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is JackyNavarro. If you are new here to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna do a one brand makeup tutorial, and that is Maybelline. I only have few items with me ng Maybelline. This is what I was able to achieve. So if you want to see how I create this look, please keep on watching. First of all, this is not Maybelline. This is Best Korea, and I already put toner. I just want to make sure that my face is moisturized before I apply any makeup on. So I'm not sure what look I'm gonna go for. Basta kung ano na lang yung magawa kong makeup no. We're done preparing the base and we're gonna go ahead and start with the foundation. So as you can see, this is my nails and ako lang gawa nito. So if you wanna see some tutorials on how I do my nails, just comment down below. I've seen this on my other tutorial, the Super Stay 24 Full Coverage Foundation. I am in shade Natural Ivory. So, ito pa rin yung gagamitin ko for this tutorial. So, you know that this is super white. I will just link on the description box yung review ko ng Maybelline and other makeup tutorials using this foundation if you're interested. And by the way, I'm using Real Technique Blending Sponge. Is I don't have a correcting concealer from Maybelline, but I have a red lipstick which you can also use to correct some dark spots under eye. Put it at the back of my hand. This is Maybelline Rich Ruby, one of my favorite red lipstick ng Maybelline. So, konti lang. Kung gusto niyo ng separate video on how to conceal or using concealers, just comment down below and malay mo magawa tayo ng separate tutorial on how to use concealer. So, yung mga pink concealer and red concealer, yun yung mga ginagamit for dark spots like under eye. So, I'm using my ring finger. Alright, next is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I am in shade 150 Neutralizer. So after correcting concealer, yung normal na concealer na. O, diba? Mas brighter na siya. Wow! Ayan, so wala tayong pang-contour ng Maybelline, so hindi na ako magko-contour. Next is eyebrows. I also don't have any eyebrow pencil from Maybelline, but I have Fashion Brow Color Drama Mascara. I have eyebrow mascara and I'm gonna use it on my eyebrows. Kuha lang ko ng eyebrow pencil and ito rin yung gagamitin natin. This one is, wala na akong lagay na shade, pero I think this is number 2, yung nasa middle na color. Kabugtong eyebrow mascara, pwede siyang gawing eyebrow gel. O, diba? So, magko-conceal tayo ng eyebrow using a flat brush. is the eyes. Unfortunately, ang galing na. Gumawa tayo ng video na to. Hindi ko nga alam kung bakit ginawa tong video na to. But I don't have any eyeshadow ng Maybelline. What I have is their lipstick. I have Touch of Nude lipstick. And this is what I'm gonna use on my eyeshadow. Magiging resourceful tayo of what we have right now. So let's go ahead and apply. This is also one of my favorite shade ng Maybelline. Touch of Nude. So, lagay ko siya sa back ng hands ko. And I will use a small flat brush. Sobrang liit ng flat brush ko. At least, ngayon nyo malalaman na pwede nyo gamitin yung mga iba nyong makeup na meron lang kayo, di ba? Or kaya on the go kayo and you have some important events and kung ano lang yun nasa makeup kit nyo, let's say lipstick lang yun nasa makeup kit nyo, at least you can also try this. It actually works. Tapos kuha lang ako ng blending brush. And then we're gonna go back with the red eyeshadow. Tapos talagyan natin siya, eyeshadow lipstick. Talagyan natin siya dito sa outer part ng eyes. Using a smaller brush. Fire. Then get a blending brush and just blend it. Next is, of course, I have eyeliner from Maybelline. This is Hyper Black. I'm gonna go with Super Wing Eyeliner for today's look. Pero medyo may idea na kung anong gagawin kong look. Gawin parang holiday makeup look. Super Wing Eyeliner. Kumakapal na naman ang eyeliner. Concealer. Ayos ko lang yung eyeliner ko. For mascara, I have two Maybelline mascara. I have Last Sensational and the false is Push Up Angel. So, I'll use them both. Ito dito sa eye na to. And this one, this the lashes dito sa kabila. Para naman, makita nyo rin yung difference. Alright, since wala rin tayong blush on ng Maybelline, I will use the same shade ng Touch of Nude sa blush on ko. Then get a brush. Oh, diba? Wow! Parang gusto ko magdagdag ng white na concealer dito sa inner eye. So, I'll use the same concealer. And then get the blending brush. Wala na akong product na in-apply. So, blend ko lang siya. And then for the lipstick, I have the Super Stay Matte Ink Maybelline. This is in Voyager. Cheers! This is how I want to apply this lipstick. Hindi ako naglagay ng parang ganun. Renowned ko yung sa upper lips para mas spouty tingnan. Alright, we're almost done. So I will just fix my hair and put some accessories on. And I'll be back for my final look.